Are you looking for the best kitchen utensil sets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best kitchen utensil sets that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the bamboo cheese board set with cutlery. The design from real bamboo makes this cheese board one elegant item to have for any events. It features the grooved serving rim that hold crackers or bread in style without falling off. In fact, it is big enough to hold many different types of cheese as well as grapes that you serve. With its classic look and high-quality design, this cheese board is perfect for pretty much any parties and occasions. When it comes to the best cheese boards to entertain your guests, this is one of the best. As for the quality, it is extremely durable due to its high-quality material design. Another great part is that its material will also guard the board from lingering bacteria or other odors as well. Also, it is super easy to clean after use since all you need is a simple wipe with a damp cloth. Plus, with the fact that it is sturdy and durable, this is definitely one of the best cheese boards to have. This option comes with a set that includes cutlery set that makes it complete for serving your guests. So let's see if you like this option. Moving on at number 4. We have the Silicone Cooking Utensils Kitchen Utensil Set. This top-rated kitchen utensil set from Umite Chef is FDA approved for maximum food safety. It is made from silicone, which does not warp or damage even in extreme heats. Besides, the material is lead-free and BPA-free to promote healthy cooking when using coated cookware. You can now use your expensive non-stick pots and pats without worries about scratches. In addition, this unit is more durable than other materials and also heat-resistant. You can enjoy an extended use thanks to the food-grade compound. It will not chip, melt, stain, or bend for maximum safety. Not only that, but also the tops and handles are made from nylon to resist heats up to 230 degrees Celsius. This unit's ergonomic design allows a multi-purpose use. With a fantastic softness, it keeps the hands free of hurt and discomfort. The set includes a ladle, pasta fork, spoonula, slotted spoon, tong, whisk, and much more. At number 3, we have the Wooden Spoons Cooking Utensil Set. This is another great kitchen utensil set that lets you enjoy simple storage and cleaning. Just hand wash the used piece to preserve the wooden look as well as durability. Also, the comfortable handle is large and improves your pantry or cabinet display. You can easily access the desired utensil as you prepare your favorite food. Besides, this kit's wooden spatulas store neatly in drawers, or you can air dry after cleanup. Note that the grain finish makes this set a stylish cooking utility. The Mundeo is constructed from natural teak wood free of any coating. This makes it ultra-safe, non-toxic, and eco-safe for you to prepare foods with added confidence. Additionally, the finish is solid and also smooth to bring out a sleek feel into the kitchen. You can use any piece with a non-stick pan, tray, or pot without scratching the surface. At number 2, we have the Home Hero Silicone Cooking Utensils Kitchen Utensil Set. Home Hero is a global brand that has come up with this best kitchen utensil set made from quality material. It is crafted from premium silicone that aids in preserving your cookware. Not only that, but also it will not dent, scratch or damage non-stick pans for added safety. Even when cooking at high temperatures between 30 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, the material will not melt. Note that the handle is made from durable acacia hardwood for a long-lasting service. They have excellent heat insulation to protect the hands from burns or scalding. Moreover, this unit has comfortable handles for secure and easy grip. The others tend to slide or fall, especially when holding with wet hands. Plus, these handles' weight is balanced to make cooking a breeze and joyous experience. You can hang the pieces on a secure location thanks to the hanging holes. At the same time, it enhances an orderly setup to bring out that neat kitchen appearance. And finally at number 1, We have the Bamboo Expandable Drawer Organizer. The fact that it comes with bamboo design has already made this drawer organizer one interesting option to choose. It is durable and stylish, and it makes a great complement to have in the drawer. Another great thing about it is that it fits perfectly in almost all standard drawer sizes out there. At the same time, it provides great space for you to organize your kitchen utensils, which is so convenient. There are 9 compartments in total, and all of them are adjustable for the most practical utensil storage. The good stuff does not end here. This drawer organizer is not only durable but also beautiful to look at. It features the neat and clean design that's simply nice to the eyes. At the same time, it is also water resistant and easy to take care of as well. All you need is a damp cloth to wipe down on it to clean the unit. Plus, with the extra compartments, you can store more of your flatware easily. It has everything you need, and it is one of the best drawer organizers to have in the kitchen. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.